today we are in Badbazar Sadak Ghat area. You see this where I am standing here. This is the point, and this road again lead to inside the river Mahanadi. And this is the most important road. It has been constructed during the time of British governance in Central Province. At that time, British ruled the district and as a whole the nation. At that time this road has been constructed. You see this road has been lit up to the main ring road, and it is 1 kilometers from here. This is the ghat used by the local inhabitant, and the tourists are also coming here every occasions, even in Kartik Puni and others occasions. People are coming here and they are just observing their rituals. And now the local inhabitants, basically the women, men, they are taking their bath here. And the most important significance is that people are coming here just to get clean water, because it is the middle of the Mahanadi river. And you see there is a pillar inside the river. You see that is a pillar that is inside the river. And this is the ghat become more famous because there was a path. Then this particular route was used by the Britishers, and before construction of Hirakud Dam, this was the road lead to the main dhar. Bardhar, Sandhar was there at that time. So this is the place where people are coming to get clean water, and the water also is clean here. You see this. But now government of India as well as our local administration also observing Mahanadi Utsav. I would like to just bring it in the notice of the administration that you see this road has been lead to the main ring road, and there is a point where the Sambalpur Municipal Corporation and district administrations, they are releasing all the polluted water of the cities, and this is the connecting point. So after releasing the polluting water here, the lower part of the river's waters become completely been polluted, and the city peoples of Sambalpur, those who are residing in the downward side, that means there are many padas are there, Dalai Pada, Nanpada, Jhadwa Pada, Hat Padas, all padas are there, and the inhabitant of that area, they are using the polluted waters. This has been put forth, and this has been bring the notice several times by different organizations. But you see the waters become polluted for the negligence of the local administrations, that means Sambalpur Municipal Corporations. So we urge the district administration, government of Odisha and Sambalpur Municipal Corporations, let they divert the polluted water route to somewhere else, and after treating that water, they may kindly be released to the Mahanadi, so that the meaning of Mahanadi Utsav become fulfilled, and the people of this region as a whole of the Odisha will get clean waters. It is not only in Sambalpur, most of cities they are releasing their water, polluted water to the Mahanadi. But in very time we are observing Mahanadi Utsav. What for? What is the meaning of it? Having no meaning. It is only useless just to show the people and just to fulfill the term and conditions and the guidelines of the government. Just we are observing that Utsav. So what is the meaning of the Utsav? So we urge the governments, the local administrations and the volunteer organizations and the environmental organizations, they come forward and put pressures on the municipal corporation to divert the polluted water route. They should not release the polluted water here, and after treatment of that water, if that water will be released to the Mahanadi, then the water won't be polluted. Let I show you this road, how this has led to ring road. You see the people are taking bath here both inside, and this is a very nice place. In fact, tourists are also coming here, and every year during the time of rainy season, this road become completely been drowned under the water, and you see how the people are using this particular road, and this is very much important road for the person who are taking morning walk. So it is the duty, prime duty of the concerned department to maintain this and should not release such polluted water of the city to Mahanadi lab, so that the people will be ultimately will get clean waters and the Mahanadi Utsav become justified. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.